Hey guys, welcome back. On the road again. We're in beautiful Sedona. Tried to do a review of this place last time we were here, but it's impossible to get in. So we're gonna see today, but we actually got parking, which is rare. And this guy lucked out, so. Yeah, one of Nicole's favorite places. God, how far do you have to back out? So let's check it out. All right guys, the menu here at the Hideaway House. Just pause if you want to really read it. I like to go by fast. Wait till you see the view we have. This is the view, and all the leaves are changing. Beautiful out here. All right guys, went with the Italian grinder on gluten-free. Comes with the fries. They are breaded, so the fries are not gluten-free. And the harvest salad with chicken. That's the small, by the way. It looks great. All right guys, that place was delicious. My sandwich had the Italian meats on it, the red pepper, tomato, vinaigrette. Nicole's salad was really good. Service from Eric. He's a character and he was awesome. Anyways, beautiful view. That house is Judy Garland's, so if you're here you can go buy that one. All right.